Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Concours 14. This bike is in beautiful condition, 6,250 miles, one owner. This is a tour de force, a performance, sport touring, shaft drive, fuel injected, liquid cooled, inline 4-cylinder, heated grips, electric windscreen, matching locking side cases. Come on by and make your Concours dreams come true for just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Check out that adjustable windscreen. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.